Honestly, it's difficult to say because you become very subjective in the film that you do. You, while making the movie, you can't really be a critic of it as well. So, I think when I was making Jab We Met, I was trying my best to make as good a film as I could, and here I've done the same. Um, I have grown up. I've grown up in a very middle class family. I've grown up in a very middle class family in smaller cities of this country, and we've also been. My dad has been on a transferable job, so we've been at various cities, and then I'd come to a bigger city, which was Delhi, and then to Bombay. So obviously, the movies that I make will be in some way a reflection of what I've seen in my life and what my life has been really. So I guess the fiber that you're talking about comes from there, really, upbringing. I'm very happy to hear that Kareena thinks so highly of me. I should also say that Kareena is my favorite actress, definitely. But just for the greed of working with your favorite actor, you cannot cast her wrong because you'd be doing injustice to everybody, including the actor. And I think my role as a director is to not make those mistakes as much as is possible. I would like Kareena to be in all my movies, but the point is that I need to be fair to her and to her talent. Deepika has a. It's when you see the movie, you know
But certain
very well.
qualities, if you can just
Yeah, but there's a sense of silence in her. There's a sense of silence perception, a draw in Deepika, which I can't really explain very well in words, but there's a certain quality, there's a certain character, the nature. For me, Saif was not really the producer, he was completely only the actor. And he was very happy only being the actor as well because he did not really want to be anything else. He has come in with his intelligence and common sense and extremely good creative ideas very strongly during publicity. And but during production, he was only the actor because only as an actor in a movie like this, he had a lot to do.
Right.
Yeah, I did feel that whenever if there is a synergy between the character and actor, the performance becomes better and the character becomes better. Therefore, the film becomes better. It just becomes a very mutually beneficial process. And I did think that with Deepika playing Meera, it would be in that direction, just as how it was with Kareena playing Geet. आजकल थोड़ा बोरिंग हो रहा था, तो हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि आजकल रखे हैं, डिबेट कर रहे थे इसके बारे में. फिर जैसा कि कहा कि इतना प्यार है मेरे अंदर और ज़माने में आजू बाजू इतना प्यार है कि वो लव कहीं से आ गया और वो लव आजकल बन गया. जस्ट विटनेस टू एंड to love then and love now. There is really no message that I'm trying to pass. I'm just trying to make sure that people have a great time in the cinema theatre.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.